Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm back with Polygel Pedicure at home. So Polygel is my second video on this channel. So yeah, now I'm gonna do the prepping and step by step. Just watch this video from start to finish and comment down below if you have any question. Anything, just comment down below. I decided to use this file to file my nails, to file the shine off, not the e-file. There's no reason for this. I just wanted to do this, you know. So I didn't want this video to be so long, so the prepping that you saw on the right feet, I did on the left feet as well. I'm gonna start by applying the base coat because Polygel needs something to adhere to, and at the same time I'm protecting my natural nails from the product. I'm gonna use this tender pink from Polygel and Sleep Solution for the liquid, and you will see me switching my toenails simply because the Polygel needs to be cured. Each and every finger you need to cure, so when I'm exchanging them, like, which means the other one is curing, and then I'm continuing with the other feet. I decided to go with black Frenchy on this video. So yeah, I applied 2 coats of this. I showed only one, but I applied 2 coats. So you see me being slow on this design. I don't want to paint on the wrong spot. So as you know, your feet are far from your face. So like you don't see properly. You see, but you can do a lot of mistakes. So I'm just trying not to do mistake, and then just giving it a time, just being patient, you know. I'm gonna seal my design with a glossy top coat. And this is it for today's video. French DIY pedicure, a polygel pedicure. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, share and like, and don't forget to put the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Bye bye.